How can Nidhi miss a new liquid lipstick launch? Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and L'Oreal Paris has launched their Resistance lipsticks and I truly wonder if they do resist everything. So when in doubt, let's test it out. Let's test the new L'Oreal Paris Resistance lipsticks together. In today's video, we'll be swatching, reviewing as well as doing some crash tests. So let's get testing. Quickly briefing about the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Matte Resistance Lipsticks. And talking of the packaging, they do come in a color-coded, sleek tube packaging, which makes it super easy and convenient to find the correct lipstick shade when in rush. The slim tube packaging has a soft matte feel to the touch and I love the sleek packaging on these lipsticks. The packaging is literally a 10 on 10 and feels so luxe in the hand. You just need to twist up to open the packaging and there you go. That is the bent leaf shape applicator that you would get with these lipsticks. The applicator gives the ease as well as the precision to apply the lipstick. You can easily line as well as fill the lipstick in with this kind of applicator. Talking of the shade range, these lipsticks are launched in 9 different shades from reds, pinks and browns. You have it all in their range. Plus they are priced at ₹999. That is for 999. You can grab these lipsticks. I've got 2 shades right here from their range. So let's get swatching first. I'll be swatching both the shades, which is Shopping Spree and Snooze Your Alarm. And then we'll also be testing out these lipsticks to see how they actually fare. Let's quickly swatch these lipsticks. I'm swatching them on my bare face so that you all can get the idea of the true colors of the lipstick. I'm literally just wearing a blush and mascara on my face. So let's get testing. Those were both of the shades and I truly loved how the shade Snooze Your Alarm looks on my skin tone. It's like a peach toned nude on my skin and it just complements my skin basically. And the shade Shopping Spree was like a muted pink on my skin tone and both of the shades honestly worked for my skin as well. And I'm not really able to decide which one I liked more, so let me know in the comments down below. Let's move on to the crash test and let's test these out together. Now these lipsticks claim to have intense color payoff, so let's test them out on my arm. And when I swatched it on my arm, you can see it for yourself. It's pigment calling. Definitely a swipe is all that you would need to get that intense color impact. They do have one swipe pigmentation. They also claim to be transfer and smudge resistant, so let's test it. So that's the dried swatch and you can see I have clean fingers. I would simply rub it across my arms to see if there's any transferage, and there you go, it came out clean, and you can see the swatch is still intact. Definitely they did not transfer on the fingers even after harsh rubbing. But now let's do the true test and see if it transfers from the lips. If I eat or drink anything, I'll quickly take a sip of water and see if it transfers on the glass. Oh, no transferage at all. You can see the glass, it is completely clear and transfer free. Definitely it has no transferage. You can see the lipstick is still intact and did not show any signs of transferage. Let's even do some kiss test to see on the back of my hand if it does still transfer. Okay, it did not transfer. It did not transfer. These lipsticks are literally going strong and they are not transferring or smudging. So I can truly call them transfer and smudge resistant. We can also check if they transfer on a clean white tissue. Why not? So let's see how does it fare on a clean tissue. I'm scared for this one. Let's see. Okay, all of the clips are uncut and you can see the tissue came out all clean and white with zero transferage. Literally no stain. It definitely passes the smudge and transfer resistance test. Definitely I can say that these are infallible lips that resist water, transferage and smudging. These lipsticks truly resist everything and are very long wearing, up to 16 hours. The formula on the lipstick is truly amazing and very comfortable, I must say, on the lips. It is also infused with hyaluronic acid, which gives the lipstick a very smooth and soft matte finish, which is extremely comfortable and non-drying on the lips. These are non-sticky, non-drying, non-flaky. They do not even transfer. Plus, they are very comfortable and lightweight on the lips. I don't even feel like I'm having anything on my lips. These are like so damn weightless and airlight. Just love the texture and the formula on these lipsticks. Like literally, I'm going gaga over the texture and feel of these lipsticks from L'Oreal Paris. Definitely, I'll be purchasing more shades because they truly resist everything. And yes, with that, I finished my review for the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Matte Resistance Lipsticks, and they are 100% Nidhi approved. You can take it from me and try it out for yourself. You would fall in love with them too. You can find all of the links to purchase these mentioned in the description box. And if you've already tried this, let me know your favorite shade from the range so that I'll buy them as well. So yes, I'll be waiting for your comments to drop in, and we shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.